Ready, start. I am glad to be here this evening to join you to commemorate the memory of one of the greatest sons of India, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Full stop. He was a colossus who strode across the world scene. Full stop. Yesterday, I had the occasion to speak at Bombay about some of his more valuable contributions to the promotion of science and technology. Full stop. If Panditji were alive, he would be 90 today. Full stop. On this solemn occasion, we should remind ourselves of what he thought and the values he cherished. Full stop. He is relevant today as he was at any time in the past. Full stop. If we can look far ahead into the future as he did, we shall never be lost. Full stop. Para. As to most others of my generation, he was a source of inspiration. Full stop. It was largely because of his towering personality and transparent honesty of purpose that I joined the freedom movement as a young student. Full stop. Later on in life, I followed his lead through the dark years of our struggle for freedom, and then when the light of independence dawned, participated in the deliberations of the Constituent Assembly, of which I was a member. Full stop. His invaluable contribution to the constitution making process is part of our history and partly portrays the character of this great democrat, liberal in thought and action, and true to the best of our ancient traditions. Full stop. Later, I came into very close contact with Panditji in 1951 when he nominated me a member of the working committee of the then Indian National Congress. Full stop. I had thus the privilege of growing up, so to speak, under his banner and to have imbibed some of his wide and far-seeing vision, his conception of the international community, and his inborn liberalism. Full stop. Para. He and Gandhiji differed in temperament, attitudes, and beliefs, yet not two men worked with such close rapport and identity of purpose. Full stop. He was a great patriot with all-pervading love for the land of his birth and a burning desire to give his all for his motherland. Full stop. This sterling quality led Gandhiji to remark on one occasion almost 50 years ago that the nation was safe in his hands. Full stop. Co-workers and co-partners in the joint struggle for independence, with quite often differences between them, it was possible for the great Mahatma to pay Jawaharlal ji this handsome tribute. He says that he does not understand my language as such. Full stop. Para. Nehru was brave, chivalrous, hard-working, a thinker and writer, a man of action, never lacking in leadership. Full stop. Impatient, perhaps with indecision and inaction, he was always tolerant of another person's point of view. Full stop. This quality too once singled him out as a true democrat. Full stop. His vitality of mind and body was amazing. Full stop. He had a consistency of outlook which became a consistency of vision. Full stop. He understood the world as few others did in contemporary history. Full stop. It was this rare combination of qualities which made him a fine instrument of historical forces, one of the finest knights of our times. Full stop. In spite of the constraints imposed on him by an adoring people and the political party which he led, he achieved much. Full stop. Looking back at his life, one wonders if anyone also could have done more or borne the heavy and complex cares of office for so many long years with such vitality and grace. Full stop. 17 years is not perhaps a long time in the life of a nation. Full stop. It is a very considerable part of a lifetime. Full stop. He will be remembered by a grateful people for his dedicated work in the service of the country and its people, and the legendary vitality and endurance which he brought to bear on nation building activity. Full stop. Para. Jawaharlal ji was a great democrat with an inborn respect for the dignity of the individual and of institutions. Full stop. He welcomed criticism if it came in the right spirit and was free from malice. Full stop. He was charitable to most people and kind to very many. Full stop. What he did for the country as leader is a part of the historical process. Full stop. What he was is common knowledge to everyone, but it is not the romance or heroism of his life which matters so much. Full stop. Future generations will ask what he did when he was in power, what he did with his opportunities. Full stop. The answer will surely be that he laid the foundations of our secularism, our democracy, our planning and development, and our foreign policy. Full stop. It was Pandit ji who steered the ship of state through perilous shoals and dangerous waters to safe harbor we are today. Full stop. Without this superb helmsman, our ship of state would have foundered and been lost. Full stop. Jawaharlal ji was one of the foremost captains of our struggle for freedom, which he invested with a historical sense and an international outlook. Full stop. He taught us the interdependence of peace at home and peace abroad, the connection between our freedom struggle and the freedom struggles of other peoples. Full stop. He understood the importance of social and economic change and initiated the processes of that change for us. Full stop. Overall.